So today my husband and I want to go to his school because he left his book and his laptop at the school. So we have to get there and get him back. And this is snowstorm and we thought this is gonna be, fine, but apparently it's so bad.
So I probably should give him my distance, more distance.
Makes sense. Bismillah.
This guy right here, like if he goes across, there's nothing I can do. It's time to brake. Slow.
Very. Oh my god.
Slow.
Allahu Akbar kabira, ya Allahu Akbar, subhanallah. What it was.
That was this guy's going into ice.
Subhanallah, scare me. I'm recording.
Gosh, yeah, I couldn't see anything.
My adrenaline just like whoop.
That was from the top, I think.
Subhanallah.
From the bridge. I think there's a car going over the bridge.
Yeah.
No, I don't know where that was from. I think it was this guy splashing us or something. I don't know. Gosh, I couldn't see anything at all.
It was fun though, mashallah, subhanallah, but plus scary. Yeah, we don't want to close with people.
Yeah, I was confused. I was like, what? I don't know why I'm still getting tapped.
How's your heart?
Well, the problem is they just keep going, and I don't know how.
Yeah.
I can't see. I can't.
Yeah.
If I can't see, I have to slow down, and you don't want to slow down on the highway.
Yeah.
If you can't see, you've got to stop your vehicle.
No,
But
we
also-
don't want to stop right away because it was so close with the front and the back our car. So we don't want to scare them too.
So I want to slow down a lot early, like tons of early slowing down here, because that red light is on a hill. You slide very easily down hills.
Yeah.
So if you slow down at the last second, you're done. Okay, this road's gonna be bad. I don't know how we're gonna get in there. See, this is the side road. See how bad it is?
Yeah.
So slow down early. Yeah, this is gonna be bad. Look at this. So go slow. This is where we're going. Can't see. That guy's coming. He's all white.
There is no sign at all, yeah. Oh, Allahu Akbar kabira, ya Allah, subhanallah. It was slippery. I can feel it.
Oh, control. I don't want to go into that ditch. That's the big no-no. We gotta watch out for students too.
Yeah. That's not rock.
No, it's grass and there's a concrete
Yeah, that's my point.
there. And you're gonna hit it.
We don't want to hit the concrete.
Yeah, it's right here. turn, don't brake once. If you have to brake, do it when you're not turning.
Okay.
If you're turning, you want to do braking by itself or turning by itself. You don't want to be braking and turning, because that's how you do drifting. That's how you spin around.
Yeah.
You pull the brake and you turn at the same time. So you want to do it. Look at this guy. He's cleaning the whole parking lot.
Yeah.
So be careful. Oh, it's nice. He cleaned it. There you go there. Sometimes you need a little speed. Up. There we go. Nice and clean. Look at that.
Yeah, that's good. That car.
We gotta watch out here. Heavy students. Go.
Are we gonna park?
Yeah. We're gonna park right here because I don't want to go deeper into there without
Okay.
crash.
So itu yang bakalan bersihin salju di jalan.
That's not good.
Oh.
You have to have your mask on, yeah. Where's your mask?
Udah deh, segitu aja perjalanan aku sama suami. Karena emang suami nggak tahu kenapa tiba-tiba ngajakin aku mau ikut gak ke kampus aku. Aku lupa bawa laptop sama buku ke rumah. Jadi dia ngajakin aku ke kampusnya, cuman buat bantuin bawain doang. Ya gitulah, minta ditemenin. Oke deh, gitu aja video dari aku. Selama perjalanan menuju ke kampus di tengah winter storm, untuk kalian semuanya yang ada di sana, dimanapun kalian berada, semoga Allah selalu melindungi kalian ya. Pokoknya sehat selalu and stay safe. Assalamualaikum, bye.